What is going on, guys? It is your boy CryptoMykel here, coming today with the Good Morning Miners update, guys. Hope you all are doing well and fantastic wherever you guys are. I have missed you all oh so dearly. Sorry, I had to take some time off. We had a death in the close family and had to take care of the family and take care of myself as well. It's been a rough week and a half so far, to say the least. But here we are, trying to get things back on routine and scheduled as can be. So I hope you all have had a fantastic week and a half, 2 weeks. I've missed you all. Hope you've all missed me. I've had a birthday since then. I've had an anniversary since then. It's been a wild time. But with having anniversary and birthday means that we get some cool stuff, right? And I got a pretty FA wife who knows that I like cool stuff. So she bought me some cool stuff, guys. See if we can switch it on over here. Alright. She went ahead and bought me one of these bad boys right here, an amber neck, which, of course, camera, but is a open source Linux handheld device that is an emulator and has 2,000 plus games on it, which is really cool. The only issue that I have ran into it so far is save data. Apparently it's been a known issue with these devices that the SD card that they come with, which is right here, has issues with saving files, and I'm not really sure why. They said that you can reformat it usually and then just put all the games back on it and it'll usually work. A lot of people actually change the firmware. Now, this being an Android device, and it is open source, you can do quite a bit with it, but nonetheless, really cool piece of tech, and looking forward to diving a bit more into this and seeing if we can get maybe Bitcoin Kingdom, which is a Game Boy Advance game, on emulator or the ROM onto the emulator. So really cool. Also, of course, as you see right here, this was mainly a present from myself, with other upgrades like the dock, which you see right here, as well as I have a transparent backplate for it, not currently installed. I have the 1 terabyte SD card, which is underneath the amber neck right there, that I got to install, which I'm going to run Windows 11 off of, which I've never ran Windows 11, but I'm going to run Windows 11 on here. That way I can play other games that I may not be able to play on SteamOS. Also have a 1 terabyte drive for this coming in, so that way I can have 2 terabytes of storage, and still pay less than you would for the top tier. So that's pretty cool. I may put videos about this, about the Steam Deck on the channel. I mainly stray towards let's see if we can get that back up. Crypto related topics on the channel, crypto mining specifically, right? But this is some cool tech that we got, and I would like to share it. I'm going to end up taking apart the whole Steam Deck to replace the SD card, or not the SD card, but the NVMe drive, as well as the backplate. So I'm going to record that. Let me know down in the comments if you would care to see information like that on the channel. I know it has nothing to do with crypto related or mining topics, but it is something, and it is hardware that some of you may want to do. I'm currently, and I even recorded a whole video when I got the Steam Deck and everything that I've bought for the Steam Deck so far, and the whole breakdown of the price of what it's cost me so far for the Steam Deck, and whether or not it's better than the top tier, which, spoiler, it is. You can definitely spend less than the most expensive Steam Deck and have a better Steam Deck. So take that for what it's worth. But the best part. Of course, we save the best for last, right? Should always save the best for last. But we got a package from DMiners. So I do not know what's in this box, but we're gonna find out, right? I say I don't know at all. I do exactly know what's in this box. I can't say I don't know. I do know. Do you know what's in this box? iPolo. This is the first iPolo that we'll have on the channel, guys. There we go, guys. So we got 2 boxes right here. This one looks like the stock power supply for the iPolo. Yeah, we're just gonna leave that in the box because 1, we don't need it, and 2, it's garbage. So right here we got iPolo V1 Mini Classic 130 mega hash version. It does have 3.6 gigabytes of DAG, so it means we cannot mine Ethereum Classic with this. We can mine other things. Actually, I think we can still mine Ethereum Classic because their DAG is actually now smaller, if I'm not mistaken. Here is the Wi-Fi antenna, and then inside of here we got instruction paper. I love the way that just like slid in there. Truly, we don't even need the Wi-Fi, but because I will plug this thing directly into Ethernet. But here we go, guys. iPolo V1 Mini Classic Ethereum Ethash miner, right? Of course, Ethereum's not mineable on Ethash, but this is still mineable on other things, potentially like ETC, and even, if I'm not mistaken, Octospace is mineable with this right now still as well. So Octospace, and as well as a few other things, I'm going to throw this thing onto unmineable with the rest of my fleet. That way we can continue mining for that sweet Bizity bit, right? But huge thanks, guys. Huge thank you to DMiner for getting this out over to me. I appreciate you, my dude. If you guys would love, and I would greatly appreciate you, go check out his channel. Down in the description below, you can give him a follow, give him some love, and I would greatly appreciate it. He does have a few more of these for sale, so if you do want one of these, reach out to him on Twitter, and he can get you on the hookup, right? I think they're 140 or 150, if I'm not mistaken, is how much he is charging for these units in particular. If I'm not mistaken. So, absolutely FA. Thank you, my dude. And can't wait to get this thing up and running and testing out on our first iPolo miner. We have never owned an iPolo unit up until this. I am still very curious of the iPolo Hydro, the V1 Hydro. That is the next one on my list, and hope to potentially test that one out here soon. So I'm actually currently talking with iPolo and giving them some feedback. So much love, guys. I hope you all have a fantastic rest of your week. Hope you all have a fantastic day. Remember, stay savage, drink some coffee, and of course, keep on mining. Keep your watts low and them hashes as high as you can. We'll see y'all next time. Peace.